even know if we even had you on the board, Ryan.
Bobby, I work.
I came back in.
Jimmy Valentino on the phone. Amazing. What's up tonight, Jimmy?
We're over here playing cards on 38th Street. Everybody's here. Savannah, Rosie, Joanna, Al, Rodney.
I just want to know one thing. Is this a legit game or is this like an undercover game?
Well, I can't tell you that. If I would tell you that, gotta keep it under the table.
Jimmy, what can I get on the radio for you tonight?
We want to hear Hungry Eyes by Eric Carmen from Dirty Dancing.
You got it. Tell me your favorite station, buddy.
WCBS, Joe Cozy, baby.
You know why? It was out of respect.
Ya Harvey sabe que esto es lo último para él.
Thank God it's...
Más allá del bien más deseado, estás tú.